discuss about my Get Back project with Girl to Code. And the name of the project is AI Diabetes Cardio. And this project is mostly about for cardiovascular disease and diabetes. This project is mostly important because it can help throughout society and even throughout the community, especially to learn about this condition and to inform the user about like certain things, how they can maintain their health. It's very important to learn a lot, especially they can maintain their lifestyle and they can overcome this fear. Especially they can chat with the chatbot and can interact with them and as a friend as well as a chatbot provider, as a health provider as well, I would say, because this can allow them to learn about their condition, about certain things, about they can overcome this fear and learn more about how they can interact with their loved one. And especially is very special because this this project is basically remind me of my grandma. So I think that this would, I hope she liked it, but she's no longer here. So I would say that this project will allow allow the user to know that it's okay to be scared and it's okay, but you need to talk with professional, especially to interact with them and to learn about like you need to take the medicine or to check on your health care, especially take care of their glucose and a lot of things when it comes to cardiovascular disease and diabetes. And I would like to say thank you.